students, today we are going to start chapter number 5, decimal. Okay, first of all what we want to know that what is decimal. Decimal is a point which we are writing in between these numbers. So this point is called decimal. So these decimals are of two types. First is like decimals and second is unlike decimal. First of all we will learn about like decimals. So like decimals means if after decimal number of digits same, those are called like decimals. Means 1.325 written or 4.789 written. Here after decimal 1, 2, 3 digits are there, or here also after decimal 1, 2, 3 total 3 digits are there. It can be 2, it can be 2, it can be 4, it can be 4. So these are called like decimal. See here 7849 after decimal 7892 5654 total 4 digits. Here also total 4 digits. Means after decimal if number of digits same, those are called like decimals. And now we will do about unlike decimals. If after decimal number of digits are not same, means here written 8.72, means after decimal 2 digits are there 7 and 2, but here 2.735 1 2 3 after this is a decimal, after decimal 3 digits are there, so this is called unlike decimal. Clear to all? Now see, if like this way number given 5.72, so which number is before decimal? Like this before decimal 5 is there, so this 5 is a whole part. And which number is after decimal? Like here written 7 and 2, so this 7 and 2 is called decimal part. And this point is there, it is called decimal. Clear? This point is called decimal, and after point which numbers are there, that is called decimal part. Now we will do exercise 5.1. So first question is there, write in words. So we have to write in words. 70.5 is there, we have to write it in words. How we will write? Before decimal as it is, which way we have done in our small classes. 70.5, 70 then point then 5. But if 2 digits are there, see here 513.78, then how we will write it? 513, then a decimal is there, we will write point. 78 we will not write, we will write it 78. Clear to all? Then C part is there. C part how we will do? 21.087, so we will write it 21.087. Clear to all? 21.087. So like this way you all can do this. Next see second question, write each of the following as decimal numbers. Now already given in words, we have to write in the decimal numbers. See here 73.4. 73.4 means first of all we will write 73, then point we will put, then 4 we will write. Next is 259.06. So how we will write it? 259.06. Clear to all? 259.06. Next is 7.104. Which way written there? 7 then point then 1 then 0 then 4. As it is we have to write in numbers. Clear to all? Other parts you will solve by yourself. Now we will do third question, write each in place value table and write place value of each digit. First of all we have to make the table. Here numbers we will write, then in our number system what is there? 100, tens, ones, then decimal point is there, after decimal which first number is there, that is we are writing it tenth. Second number we are writing it hundredth. Which third number is there, thousandth. If any other number is there, we will write it 10,000th. So like this way we will make the table firstly. Then first of all, first part is there 7.5. So 7.5 after before decimal, first of all we have to see before decimal who is there, 7. It is at first place, means it is at ones place, so we will write downside of ones. After this point is there, we will write here on the decimal part. Then after this first digit is there, first digit is 10th part, so we will write it downside of 10th. Same other all parts, this is ones, this is tens, ones, tens, then decimal, this is 10th, and this is 100th. So like this way these all parts also written. So if they said write place value, if we have to write place value, see here we have to write place value 0.591 is there, we have to write place value of 9. Place value of 9 is first digit. If they said write place value of 5, place value of 5 is at first number, after decimal it is at first number, so 5 by 10. If they said write place value of 9, that is 9 by 100. Like this way, if they said write place value of 1, place value of 1 is 1 by 1000. Clear? Like this way we will write place values. Next fourth part is there. So fourth part is there, write the following in expanded form. You done in your 5th class also how to write in expanded form, that before decimal that same way you will write 359.8. So 3 before decimal, first of all we will see before decimal 359 is there na, so 3 after 2 digits, this 5 and 9, so we will write 300. Then 5 after 1 digit we will write 59 as it is. Then on place of decimal we will put plus sign again. After decimal this 8 is at first position, 8 by 10. Now see second part, then more you will more clear to you. 79, 7 after 1 digit, 79 as it is. 0 is at first position after decimal, 0 by 10, 1 by 100, 2 by 1000. Like this way same C part is there, so like this way do all parts. Next 5th part is there, fill the missing numbers. Which missing numbers are there, we have to fill there. So see there, before decimal they written 8, after 1 digit was there 80 written, 4 written as it is. This not 2 they have written 0.2. How it was there, 2 by 10 we have to write na. So if 2 by 10 is there, if downside 1 0 is there, we can write it 2 1 0 is there na downside, so 1 digit we will leave and put a point. So that's why they have written like this way. Next is 0, so we have to write 0 upon 100. If 0 upon 100 means downside 2 digit 2 zeros, so 2 digit we will leave and put a point. 0 point something anything, 0.0 is 0, so here 0 will come. So this also they have written same, 8 by 1000 will be there. If downside 3 zeros are there, then upper side 3 digit we will leave. How 3 digit we will leave? We are having only 1 digit 8, so we will put 2 zeros by self, then we will put a point. So that like this way this came. Clear to all? Next is a 3000 given 20 plus 5 0.07 0.009. They said combine it here, fill this missing number. How you will fill? I know you will write 325.79, but this is wrong. You will not write like this way. So you firstly add which numbers are without decimal, that separate add, which are with decimal, that separate add. Then see the difference in the answer. See here, if you will add these, this is 5203. These you will add 970.0. Now see, this is 3025 and this is 0.079. So when you will combine these, how you will combine 3025 as it is, then after decimal this 0.079. So this is your fill up. So you will fill there 3025.079. Clear to all? Next, see sixth question. Represent the following on the number line. We have to represent this 2.5 on the number line. First of all, we will draw number line 0, 1, 2, 3. Because 2.5 is there, we know this 2.5 is between 2 and 3. Then we will do divisions of 2 and 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Then 10, at 10 means 3 is there. This is 2.1, 2.2, 2.3, 2.4, 2.5. Here 2.5 came, so here we will put arrow and we will write 2.5. Like this way, same 7.9 is there. We know this 7.9 is between 7 and 8. So we will write up to this 8. So again we will make 9 division, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and this one is 10. So 7.1, 7.2, 7.3, 7.4, 7.5, 7.6, 7.7, 7.8, and this is 7.9. Clear to all? Like this way, other 0.25 you can see. 0.25, it means it is between 0 and 1. So between 0 and 1 we will write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 divisions we will make. Now this is 0. This is 0.1, 0.2, 0.3, 0.4. It means this is 0.25 between this 0.2 and 0.3. Here we will put arrow and write 0.25. Like this way you will do your D part also. See this next part, seventh part. Between which two numbers these numbers lie? 0.08, 0.25. We have to tell between which two numbers these numbers lie. Suppose if we are going to draw on the number line 0 and 1, this 0.08 is between 0 and 1. Then again in between this we have to check in which two numbers this is lie. 0.1, 0.2, 0.3, 0.4, 0.5, 0.6, 0.7, 0.8, 0.9, and then 1. Now see, this is 0.1, but this 0.08 is less than 0.1. So it means it lie in between this 0 and 1. So we will write between 0 and 1, 0.08 lies. Clear? Like this way, same 0.25. Now this is 0.01, 0.1, 0.2, 0.3, 0.4, 0.5, 0.6, 0.7, 0.8, and 0.9. This is 0.25. This is 0.2 and this is 0.3. 0.2 and 0.3. In between this, anywhere this number lie. So we will write it between 0.2 and 0.3. Same as it is, this 0.18 is there. This is 0.18, this is 0 and 1, 0.1 and 0.2. In between this 0.1 and 0.2, this 0.18 is lie, because 0.18 is greater than 0.1 and less than 0.2. So it lies in between these. So we will write between 0.1 and 0.2. Last is 0.78. So it also like this way, 0.1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So this is 0.78, 0.1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is 0.7. This is 0.7 and this is 0.8. So this 0.78 lies in between here. So we will write between 0.7 and 0.8. This number line only, it is for your understanding. Directly if you direct know, then you have to write this direct answer. Otherwise, first of all, this draw in rough and then write this answer between which number this line. Clear to all?